sort of things come up in a home assessment, and specifically in a situation like when a patient will shortly be moving back into their home? How do you deal with that?
Sometimes patients do go to family's home temporarily. So when we first, the home assessment for us starts the second we knock on the door. We are watching them, everything they do from the minute they open the door. Did they get up to open the door? Are they wearing socks on their feet, or are they in their bare feet? Are they dressed? Are they not dressed? Are they bruised? Are they looking disoriented? And then we ask them to, can you show me around? I don't know your house or your apartment. Can you show me where the bathroom is? And can you show me? I know you can probably get in and out of the shower by yourself, because a lot of them will swear they could do everything. So we're the show me state. We make them show us. So show me how you're getting in and out of that tub. Show me how you're, getting in and out of bed.
Mm-hmm.
Are they safe? Do they need a bar? Are they able to get out by themselves? Do they get stuck? Do they slide to the floor? Then we go room to room and we're looking at hazards. Are there cords on the floor? Are there scatter rugs that might slip? We go to the refrigerator. Are the things that they go to eat and prepare on the shelves they can reach? Do they have to reach a long ways to get from one place to the other, because with a walker or with crutches or with a wheelchair? Then from going room to room, we look at where are the light switches so that they can see at night? Do they have enough light? Does the client have any rugs that have potential for slipping, scatter rugs that are not anchored down? And there's a lot of things that we can do right at the very first visit to eliminate fall risk as best we can. I carry double-sided tape at every visit, and if there's scatter rugs or any like oriental rugs that are slipping, I double-side tape them. We look at extension cords. A lot of the older population likes to put extension cords underneath rugs to get them out of the way, causing a fire hazard, because what we really have to think about too is if there was a fire, if there was emergency, could they safely and quickly get out of the house? And I also think it's important to mention that it isn't just the client. In my own family, this was a really hard concept for my own father to understand. When I wanted to put in some safety equipment, initially there was a lot of resistance in how it would look and how it would affect the house. And I get a lot of this where people don't want their house to look like a hospital, which I completely get. And it's a lot of the conversation is focused on the patient. But I also like to bring it into not just the patient, but if the caregiver goes out to get the mail, or the caregiver's getting out of the shower and slips on a puddle and breaks his hip, is the patient going to be able to function without that caregiver? So this safety equipment is not just about the patient. It's about their entire environment and making sure that everybody has what they need, because without those caregivers, these patients would end up in nursing homes. I also would look at pets. Can they bend over? Do they need something to hold on to so that they can bend over to get the pet bowls? Are they able to reach their shoes in the closet, or do they need some supports in the closet? Getting in and out of bed, do they need a bar to help them? In the bathrooms, if they're wide, it's great. If they're narrow, sometimes you can't use your walker. So we look in there to see, because if they can't access the bathroom when they go home, what are they going to do? So a lot of times right there on the spot, I will take the doors off the hinges or change the hinges so that we gain a little bit more width in the door. And then sometimes we have to line the whole wall with safety bars so they can get in and out of the bathroom safely and have something to hold on to. So in those first visit, we are watching them. The second we walk in the door, we're taking them room to room, and we are looking for all the hazards. I will move beds, I will move bureaus, I will move laundry baskets to make the room more accessible. And it's usually like a 2-hour visit, but you don't leave until you know that you've done everything you can at that first visit to assess the hazards and try to eliminate them as best you can. And then it's planning for the next visit and letting the family know what they need to get before the next visit.